So let's talk a little bit more about continuous testing and why this is so important, because there is a new reality that is approaching. AI is now directly embedded into Oracle Fusion applications. So we are going to see faster changes. We're going to see more risk being interjected into our organization because we are relying now more heavily on AI agents to be able to help us in driving our business forward. So the risk is potentially missing any type of defect that could be introduced or any type of situation where maybe an AI agent is bringing something new into that environment that we weren't quite anticipating. So continuous testing is more relevant now than ever, as we are looking at having a lot of AI agents being able to help support us in what it is that we're doing. This is where Tricentis is really stepping up and making sure that we're bringing in that new world of our AI workspace. What we're going to really touch on today is how this can help in driving your environment workflows, being able to create custom logic so that you have an all encompassing quality platform that's able to do this. AI workspace interacts with our agentic test automation, agentic performance testing, and agentic test creation. We'll touch base on the agentic test creation here in just a minute. For now, I want to kick it over to Donnie and see, Donnie, is there anything that you would like to add about our AI workspace and what the capabilities and what you're seeing from customers now?
Yeah, absolutely. So out of the box with AI Workspace, teams are running typical quality engineering workflows, such as, analyzing requirements all the way to automation. But really something to really discuss is that if your organization is running and want to integrate with a platform that has an API or an MCP server, you're able to plug that into AI Workspace and create some workflows with it. But really, the thread through all of those workflows and what you can create is really the control around it, right? So the approval gates and the ultimate human sign off prior to anything writing back to your system of record is something I'd like to highlight.
Yeah, that's excellent. So, and this applies directly to Oracle and those quarterly releases. What we're looking to do is being able to give you enough time within that 2 week testing window of that staging environment to be able to get everything done as quickly as possible. Because the faster that we can validate that environment, the more time that we can give back to our business users to explore new features, explore configuration changes, and being able to drive good new feature adoption into our organizations to create value.